a big shout out for. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'll show you guys how to make a slime activator. So as I promised, we completed 20 likes goal. So yeah, here is the promised slime activator recipe. So let's get started. So first here I'm taking a bowl and I'm adding 1 cup of water. You can multiply or minus with this measurements. Measurements is not actually required. You can do it on your own like mine. But for you guys, a little briefly I'm going to explain in this video the measurements. Next you need borax powder. If you don't have this borax powder, give this video 30 likes and I'll show you how to make a slime activator without borax or without using borax. So yeah, and even substitute of the borax if you give this 30 likes this video and subscribe my channel so that you will be notified. So here half a tablespoon or 7.5 ml. This is tablespoon. This is like a 1 tablespoon, but the measurements are quite wrong. I don't know why. So if you subscribe my channel and like this video, you will be notified when I upload the no borax slime activator and it will be very useful for you all. So even if you subscribe my channel by turning on the notifications, you get all my slime recipes and slime activator and some tips and tricks to make slime. So here I am adding like a little bit of borax. I searched a lot in the market for borax. If you don't have this borax in your market too, then I'll give it the description. You can go and buy on Amazon. Mix it until it becomes into clear water. I have fine particles in this cause of the borax. I don't know how it came into the borax. So yeah, let's make the slime. I'm taking a small container and I'm adding glue. You can use any glue works. Here I'm adding clear glue. Now let's add some paint, and this is how I made the golden versus silver slime. For the same way I added silver paint. You can go and check the video description. So yeah, and let's add our homemade activator, and even the activator link of the Amazon is given in below. Don't forget to go check, but that is too expensive and I made this in just like 3 rupees. You know, the borax was 20 rupees. I got 100 grams of borax, and yeah, in that I just used a little bit. So yeah, it is like 3 rupees and water. It is there in your house, so you don't need to buy. So let's add some more activator and mix it. So as this is a very small container, I am feeling a little hard to mix it. Don't add a lot of activator, then your slime will become very thick and won't be that stretchy. So that's why I am trying. I can't even pause and mix cause you want full proof like. So after making this together, this was the super stretchy slime. And for more interesting videos like these, please subscribe my channel and give this video a like, and don't forget to check the description for the borax purchase. Bye.